We've got Eddie's nice 330 Testo up here, and I can't believe he left me his good one, but he's on vacation, so it's cool, and he knows it's safe with me. So anyway, what we're going to do is look at this O2 level, and if you remember correctly last time I just showed you, we had 8.3 on the oxygen, and it rose to 8.9, almost a full percentage. So Eddie was telling me that is could be a potential leak, or compromised. It could be compromised in a way where there was a gasket or something leaking. But I noticed when I got down here, y'all, I started, fooling around with it. Plus I wanted to check my blower speeds on my tap and everything, and I am on high. So I noticed this was loose. Okay, right here on my inducer motor, which actually goes into my vent, which actually you mount your vent right here. So this was loose, and there's like a rubber grommet gasket in here. It reminds me sort of like a Fern for a plumbing, like when you're joining, like see that PVC, how it's joined to cast, sort of like that. So I tightened it up, man, but you got to be very careful, dude, because if you crack it, you are screwed. Then you got to really, it ain't a potential leak anymore, it's a leak. But anyway, I made sure all my hoses were on, pretty good. This hose here going to my box here, it was actually off a little bit. And I noticed this really wasn't my cover to my burner box here. Wasn't actually, I guess when I was doing those tests showing y'all how to check your igniter and how to check your flame sensor and stuff, I guess I must not have got it on there, all the way. So what I'm going to do is, hopefully with those little tests, maybe she won't shoot up as far, or don't shoot up at all. I'm just, praying it doesn't. So basically Eddie said we'll fire it up, and while the burner's burning without the blower motor on, it'll start to drop, and then whatever it levels out at, like 8.3, 8.4, whatever, 8.9, I'm not sure. And then it's supposed to stay there and not rise above it. So let's give it a shot here, guys. And we're going to watch this number right here start dropping once it starts firing. Alright, we got our igniter. She should click. There she goes. She's firing. Now we should watch this O2 right here drop. (19.8, 18.3, 16.6). She's dropping. 13.2. Probably level out around 8, I think, before the blower kicks on. Looks like she's going to level out about 9. Alright, she's at 9.1, the blower is kicked. She's dropped to 9.0, 8.9. Stay there. Okay, we leveled it, what, 9.1? Now we're up 0.2. And look, she's coming back down. Okay, that's my point on this, man. This is actually a fantastic test, but actually, that was an indication that down there was loose. Okay, look, I'm down to 9.1, guys. All right, I'm down to exactly where I'm supposed to be. So that in the grommets on the box there had something to do with it. So it's not a cracked heat exchanger, guys. Fantastic, y'all. Let's stay with it for a minute. I just want everybody to see it. I'm going to run this a couple of times. And the stack is around 106 here. I was always told the stack should be anywhere from 105 to 125 degrees. .0, guys, look at this. Ain't that fantastic, y'all? Daggone Eddie, man, I appreciate you letting me borrow this tool, man. 8.9. I'm gonna call him. Hey, what's up, brother? I'm shooting a little video right now. I found that gasket on what I was telling you about down there. I smeared a little silicone on it, and I actually tightened up the you know, when I was actually shooting those videos a while back, Eddie, where I was showing everybody how to test their igniter and test their sensor and all that, I didn't have that collector box on there seated correctly. I didn't have it in my rubber grommets. Dude, I started at 9.0. It leveled at 9.0 or 8.9, something like that. And I've actually got on video here. We're videotaping right now as we speak. And she rose to 9.1, but now she's down to 8.7 and it hasn't moved. Okay. Well, I've got silicone on it now. What? No, it's actually on the you know what I'm saying? I've already siliconed the heck out of it. But I mean, this thing tells the truth, you know, and we're at 8.6 now. I mean, should it drop like that, Eddie? Or I mean, I've got every. Okay. Yeah, we're like at 8.6 and we're staying at 8.6, brother.
You said it went down, it went up like 20 down?
Yeah, I think it went up like 0.2 of a point. It went to like 9.1 or 9.2, and then it dropped right back down, and now she's hanging right now, Eddie, at 8.6, and we have a 111 degree stack. And 2 COs, 2 ppms. Rock and roll, brother. Rock and roll. See, there is their potential leak, my friend. Yes, sir. Leaky gasket, brother. Hey, Eddie, thanks, man. I'll holler at you Friday, brother. Hey, buddy. Thanks, man. Bye. All right, y'all. It's 3:14, and Fritz is a happy camper. And we're going to run this test again. So I'm going to run it a couple of times. So actually, I took this wand here, and I bottomed it out here, and I pulled it back where I thought it was about halfway in between everything. And so what we're going to do is we're going to fire it up. Let her start drawing for a second. And we're going hot. So what we want to watch is this oxygen here. Alright, here we go. Just got off the phone with Eddie, man. He's a happy camper too. So what a great guy, man. Alright, Ray, we're going to teach you all this, buddy. Alright, we're going hot. The O2 reading is now 20.6, 19, 17, she's dropping, 16, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 10.7, 10.4. She ought to get around 9 or 8.8, something like that, before that blower kicks. Maybe 9. Blower's getting ready to kick here in just 1 second. And that blower would be introducing oxygen into a crack, or it would tell us we got a potential leak, like Eddie was saying. Alright, 9.0, 9.1. We don't want to rise. Alright, we were at 9.0 when the blower kicked. We're going up a tenth. We're at 9.1, 9.2, 2/10. 9.1. I'll be happy with that right there. Stack temperature's rising. Well, 105. Like I said, in every manual I've read, it's stack should be around 105 to 125. 9.0. Okay, y'all. I'm thinking we're looking good. If y'all don't mind, I'm going to do another one here in a few minutes to just for me. But I'm thinking we're good, guys. I actually got my good buddy Ray, AV Treasures. He's coming down to spend Thanksgiving with me. So I'm going to put him on this furnace, and we're going to get Ray tuned right on in on how to do diagnostic. And you know, don't want to ruin our Thanksgiving, but you know, I do go when I'm needed. So if I get a service call, I'm gonna take Ray with me. But we are fantastic, guys. This tool is freaking awesome. It showed the minutest of a leak. All right, y'all. I'm starting to get hot up in here. I'm gonna wait another, what was it, 3:15 when I did this test. We'll do another one about 3:30. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all, it's 3:37 now, and we're going to shoot for it again. Go ahead and turn the pump on, and we're going to fire in the hole. As soon as she kicks, we'll watch this O2 level. She'll start dropping down once it fires. We got the igniter lit. Gas valve should click. There she goes. Okay, we got flame, guys. Nice, pretty blue flames too. Alright, she's dropping. 16.6, 15.3, 14.2, 13, 12, 11, 11.2. Okay, y'all, blower's getting ready to kick. She's probably going to be at 9.0. We're at 9.1 when the blower kicked. We're at 8.9 now. 8.8. 8.7. Alright, guys. Stack temperature is 112. We'll let her get good and hot. Our CO's dropping. .0. Now remember, when the blower kicked, we were at 9.1. CO's down to 9, 8. Now, when the gas and electric people come in to test your parts per million in your house, at least in the state of Kentucky, they'll have to shut your system down or turn the gas off to your furnace at 9 parts per million. Guys, I think we're great. I'm sure y'all are sick of watching this, but you don't know how happy I am. But furnace is still under warranty. I got 20 years on this heat exchanger, and it comes in one, just like on NLB's video, it comes in one unit, secondary and primary. And I've got like a couple of months left on parts here. I only got 5 years on parts. But I think we are fantastic, guys. If y'all don't mind, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shoot this again in another 20 or 30, but I'm going to let it run for a few minutes. 4:32 Wednesday, 23rd. And I'm going to shoot this one more time, y'all. I'm sure y'all are really excited here, but I broke out Eddie's printer here, and I'm going to try to figure out how to use it, and I'm going to make a printed copy of it. So we're going hot. Pump's working on the unit here, the Testo 330. We've got the inducer going. Pressure switch. Igniter should start glowing. There she is. You're going to hear the click of the gas valve. It's all order of operation, y'all. Alright, let's look in there. And those are some daggone pretty blue flames, y'all. Alright, y'all, she should start dropping before the blower kicks. 15, 13, 12, 11, 11.1, 10.8. Come on, let's go. Giddy up, girl. Blower's gonna kick here probably around 9.1 or so. Alright, she's leveling out about 9.2, 9.1 or so. Alright, blower's getting ready to kick. 9.0, 8.9. Blower kicked at 8.9. Alright, y'all, we're going to let that stack get up there. Appreciate y'all hanging on with me, but I just wanted to test it several times. Blower kicked at 8.9. CO's coming down. 7 parts per million. We're at 94.9% efficiency. 95% efficient. Hanging around 8.8. Blower kicked on at 8.9. 5 parts per million. CO. She's gonna drop. She's probably gonna drop down to about 2 or 3. .6. So it'll get good and toasty. Probably burning Mom and Sarge out up there. We got down to 3 parts per million on the CO, 8.4 on the O2, 106 on the stack, 94.8% efficient. Okay, y'all, it's probably going to be another 15 or 20 minute video. I apologize for that, but just wanted y'all to see. 2 parts per million. I'm not sure, but I think I remember Eddie saying something about he liked seeing them like at 8.1 or 8.3 or something like that. But she definitely ain't going up. Alright, we're definitely significantly below what it was when the blower kicked on. Stack's rising ever so slowly. We're down to 2 parts per million CO. 94.2% efficient right now. You know, once, you know, Eddie did that fantastic blower door test for me, and once we can actually get everything sealed up, you know, that's going to help us out a whole lot too. And basically, you know, like what he described, you know, I could probably just do a few little things, you know, like putting the gaskets on the switches. I've got little brother, he's coming out here to insulate the, or to caulk the baseboards anyway, so that's, we had a bunch of blue on that. That should take care of that a little bit. And I've got that hole up in the closet up there to take care of. So once we get that taken care of, we should be running a tight ship over here, Rochester's Heating and Air. Alright, y'all, let's see. I think there's a little green light that needs to be on here. There it is. Okay, and I think Eddie said you just hit this, I guess this is the print button here, it looks like a printer. But she's hanging at 8.3, 8.2. Guys, I think we are ready to rock. I'm going to go ahead and print. Here we go. And there it goes. I'm gonna have to buy him some paper. Yeah, it looks like that paper off the register. Where is he? Where's my boy? Come here. Such a good feller. Alright. Alright guys, I think we're done. 8.2. Alright. Eddie, thank you so much, brother. I can't keep thanking you enough, but God bless you. And I reckon I'll holler at you Friday. Alright, brother. Take care. Thanks for watching, y'all.